Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drink spirulina tablets. First, ensure you have high-quality spirulina tablets from a reputable source, as quality can vary significantly. Spirulina is a powerful superfood, packed with nutrients, and taking it in tablet form is a convenient way to incorporate it into your daily routine. Having a glass of water ready will make the process much smoother and help with swallowing the tablets effectively. Let's get started on the best way to take them. When starting with spirulina tablets, it's wise to begin with a smaller dose, perhaps 1 to 2 grams daily, to see how your body reacts. This allows your system to adjust gradually. Over time, you can slowly increase your intake to the commonly recommended 3 to 6 grams per day, or as advised by a health professional. Taking your spirulina tablets with meals can also help prevent any mild digestive upset, making it a more comfortable experience for you. The most straightforward way to consume spirulina tablets is to swallow them whole with a generous glass of water, just like any other supplement. If you find swallowing tablets difficult, you can crush them into a fine powder and mix them into your favorite smoothie, juice, or even a glass of water. This method can also mask the distinct taste of spirulina. For optimal absorption and consistent nutrient delivery, consider splitting your daily dose into 2 or 3 smaller portions throughout the day. To maximize the benefits of spirulina, remember to stay well hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout your day. Consistency is truly key. Taking your tablets regularly will help you experience the full range of advantages, from boosted energy to enhanced immunity. Spirulina is a fantastic addition to a balanced diet, supporting overall wellness. And for an amazing upgrade to your home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, plus other great deals. Make spirulina a consistent part of your routine for a healthier you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.